Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. Thanks for joining me here on WQ9F Ham Radio. Today, I am out here at, well, not necessarily a park, I am out here at a trail. So this is a trailhead parking area, kind of. It's a public parking. It says 2-hour parking or violators will be towed, but there's literally no one here. Right behind me over here, you can kind of see this walking path. Right here. We got this walking path and that leads right down. You can see the sign down there, the yellow sign. I guess the white sign. Right down here. That's the Glacial Drumlin Scenic Trail in Wisconsin. That is also the Ice Age National Historic Trail. Those trails run together along here. I am currently parked up on US Highway 18. That's this real busy road right here. And this is County C Highway. So with trails, you can be within 100 feet of a trail and activate that trail. You do not have to be on the trail, and I'm within 100 feet of that trail. It's right down here on the bottom of this, down by them pine trees. That's where the trail is. So even though I'm not technically on the trail, Parks on the Air allow you to operate within 100 feet of that trail. So both of the trails run concurrently here along Highway 18, so I'm going to activate this as a twofer. I've done 17 meters a couple times today. I'm going to try 20 meters, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the power down. I've been operating 25 watts on 17. I'm going to continue to do the same on 20 because I can't be stuck here for hours again trying to operate. I enjoy those types of activations sometimes, but I still have more stuff that I need to do today. And it's already past noon, so I'm going to go ahead and get this park on the air and get it activated. It's getting colder out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It'd be much appreciated. I also have a Buy Me a Coffee if you would like to give a donation to the channel. It's always appreciated. I'm going to put a link down below in the description. That'll help me make more videos just like this one. So make sure you are subscribed. But for now, let's go ahead and get this park on the air. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 9792.
Kilo 4 Charlie Alpha Bravo Mobile.
Kilo 4 Charlie Alpha Bravo Mobile, you are 5x5, 5-5 Wisconsin.
QSL, you are 5-7 into Virginia, 5-7 into Virginia. Can I get your call sign and your park number again?
Roger, call sign is Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, and I am actually at a twofer. I am at Park Kilo 9792 and Park Kilo 4238 QSO.
QSL 73 and Happy New Year.
Thank you, Happy New Year in 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Whiskey 8 Juliet Tango Oscar.
Whiskey 8 Juliet Tango Oscar 5x7 5-7 Wisconsin.
Roger, you're 5-8 in the Whiskey Victor. Thank you for activating and have a good day.
Thank you for hunting and have a Happy New Year 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Kilo Fox 5 Echo Tango Zulu. X-ray Tango.
Kilo Fox 5 Echo Tango Zulu 5x9 5-9 Wisconsin.
Roger the 5-9, you're 5-9 here also in Northeast Arkansas, 73 and Happy New Year.
Roger, thanks for hunting in 73. The station ending in November X-ray Tango.
Kilo Golf 4, November X-ray Tango, and you're at 3-3 in Virginia. 3-3 in Virginia. Go ahead.
Roger, copy. You are 5x7 in Wisconsin, Whiskey, India.
Thanks for the 5x7 and have a great New Year. 73.
Thank you, you too in 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot.
Park to park, Victor Yankee 2, Alpha November, park to park.
Victor Yankee 2, Alpha November, copy. You are 5 by 7, 5 by 7, and I am at 2 parks. I am at Park Kilo 9792 and Park Kilo 4238.
Copy the 2 parks. Thank you. You're 5-9 into Park 5782. 5782. QSO.
Roger, Roger, 5782. Thanks for the park to park today, and have a good activation, 73.
Thank you, you too, 73.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo Golf 4, Oscar Delta Hotel.
Kilo Golf 4, Oscar Delta Hotel. You are 5 by 7, 57, Wisconsin.
Roger the 57, you're 5-6, North Carolina, November Charlie.
Copy 5-6, November Charlie. Thanks for hunting and have a Happy New Year, 73.
Happy New Year and have a good activation, 73.
Thank you. The station ending in Echo. Was that something to November United Echo once more?
Kilo Alpha 2, King America 2, November United Echo.
Roger, Roger, got it that time. Kilo Alpha 2, November United Echo. You are 5 by 3, 5-3, Wisconsin.
Thanks much, Kevin. I don't know if this does a little bit better, but you're 5-9. You're beautiful signal in New York. Thanks for activating and Merry Christmas, right? Happy New Year to you.
Roger, Roger. Yeah, it was a little bit better that time. Thanks again and have a Happy New Year, 73.
73, thank you.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot.
Quebec, Charlie, Yankee. 4, Yankee, Zulu, November.
The station ending in Charlie Yankee.
Thank you. Kilo Echo number 4, Quebec, Charlie, Yankee. 5-9, Alpha Lima.
Roger, Roger, 5-9, Wisconsin. Thanks for hunting in 73.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. The Uniform Zulu November station.
Kilo India 4, Yankee, Zulu, November.
Copy. Kilo India 4, Yankee, Zulu November. You are 5 by 7, 5-7, Wisconsin.
QSO Kevin, you're 5-7 also. 2-3, Tango November.
Roger, Roger, Tango November. Thanks for hunting in 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Kilo Foxtrot Bravo. Park to park.
The park to park station, go ahead.
Kilo Charlie 3, Papa, India Bravo.
Copy. Kilo Charlie 3, Papa, India Bravo. You are 5 by 5, 5 by 5, and I am at 2 parks, 2 parks. First one, Kilo 9792. Second park, Kilo 4238.
QSL, the 5-5 into both parks. I have you a 5-5 as well, 55 into Kilo 1409, Kilo 1409. QSL.
Roger, Roger, 1409. Thanks for hunting and have a good activation. Stay safe, 73.
73, thanks for being out there and good luck with yours as well.
Thank you. The Kilo Foxtrot 0 station. Was there a Kilo Foxtrot 0?
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Lima Yankee Mike. I've got you 5-6 in West Central Minnesota.
Roger, Roger. Nice 5-9 here into Wisconsin today. Thanks for hunting in 73.
Roger, Roger. I'm always amazed that Wisconsin comes in at 20 meters. Normally that's, I don't hear anybody from there.
Yeah, I know. 20 meters has been weird the last couple days. So thanks again and have a great New Year in 73.
73.
Was there a Kilo Foxtrot Bravo station?
Kilo 4, Kilo Foxtrot Bravo.
Roger, Kilo 4, Kilo Foxtrot Bravo. You're 5 by 9, 5-9, Wisconsin.
You're also 5-9 here in Alabama. Thanks for pulling me out.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for hunting in 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot.
We're Kilo Mike 4, Mike Delta Radio. Hotel Echo Sierra. Whiskey 5, Bravo, Charlie,
Let's see. Kilo Mike 4, Mike Delta Radio, 5 by 9 in Wisconsin today.
Thanks for the 5-9. Have you 5-7, North Carolina.
Roger, Roger. Only running 40 watts today, so I'll take that. Have a good New Year in 73.
73. You sounded great.
Thank you. Got a couple more. Hotel Echo Sierra Station, go ahead.
Victor Alpha 3, Hotel Echo Sierra.
Roger, roger. Victor Alpha 3, Hotel Echo Sierra. You're 5x9, 5-9 Wisconsin.
QSL, Kevin, 5-9 Ontario, 7-3, and thanks for activating.
Thanks for hunting, 73. Whiskey 5, Bravo Charlie Alpha, go ahead.
Thank you, Whiskey 5, Bravo Charlie Alpha, 5-5 Tango X-Ray.
Roger, roger. I've got you 5-5, 5-5 right back in Whiskey India. Thanks for hunting, 73.
73.
QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
November 3, Lima Alpha Golf, Kilo 5, Hotel Lima Sierra.
November 3, Lima Alpha Golf, 5x7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
Roger, roger, 5-7 both ways, Papa Alpha.
Thank you very much for Papa Alpha, and thanks for hunting, 73. Kilo 5, Hotel Lima Sierra, go ahead.
QSL, you're 5-4, Arkansas Alpha Romeo.
Roger, roger. You are 5x7, 5-7 Wisconsin. Thanks for hunting, 73.
7-3.
QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
November Kilo, Echo 4, Oscar, Papa India.
The November 2 station.
November 2, Papa Yankee Hotel.
Copy, November 2, Papa Yankee Hotel. You are 5x7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
QSL, 5-7 both ways, 7-3, and thanks for the park.
Roger, thanks for hunting, 73. The station ending in Oscar Papa India, please.
Kilo Echo 4, Oscar Papa India.
Roger, Kilo Echo 4, Oscar Papa India. You are 5x7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
Roger, roger, Kevin. I have you 5-5, North Carolina. Thank you for the part.
Thanks for hunting in 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
Kilo November 4, X-Ray Papa.
Kilo November 4, X-Ray Papa, 5x7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
QSL, you're 5-7 North Carolina. Thanks for the park, 73.
Roger, roger. Thanks for hunting, 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
November Bravo 3, Whiskey. November 7, Juliet India Mike.
November Bravo 3, Whiskey. You are 5x7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
Thank you very much for the 5-7. You're 5-9 Pennsylvania.
Roger, roger. Running 35 watts today, so I'll take that. Thanks for contact in 73.
73.
November 7, Juliet India Mike. Go ahead.
I have you to 5-5 into Florida. 5-5 into Florida. QSL?
Roger, roger. I have you 5-5, 5-5 as well in Whiskey India. Thanks for hunting, 73.
73, good luck. Thanks for taking.
Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Whiskey 6, Juliet Alpha Tango.
There was a station ending in Zulu. Go ahead. I think it was a DX station ending Zulu once more. Negative copy. Whiskey 6, Juliet Alpha Tango. You are 5x9, 5-9 Wisconsin.
Roger, Kevin. You're 5-9 into Middle Tennessee, and thanks for activating.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. You're about 20 over here. Great signal. Thanks again, and have a great New Year. 73.
73.
Was there a station ending in Hotel? Copy. Kilo Delta 2, Romeo Echo Hotel. You are 5x5, 5-5 Wisconsin.
Roger, 5-5 Wisconsin. You are 5-7 in Long Island, New York. Thanks for the activation.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for hunting and have a Happy New Year. 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
November 4, Echo Victor.
November 4, Echo Victor 5-9 Wisconsin.
QSL, you're 5-8 Tennessee.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for Tennessee and thanks for hunting. 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
Kilo 2 Victor, Tango, Tango. Tango.
Kilo 2, Victor Tango Tango 5-9 Wisconsin.
QSL, you are 5-9 into New York, sir. 73, K2 VTT.
Roger, Roger. Running 35 watts, so I'll take that. Have a nice New Year in 73. The station ending in Charlie Tango.
November 1, Echo Charlie Tango.
November 1, Echo Charlie Tango. You are 5x7, 5-7, Wisconsin.
QSO, you're 5-8 Rhode Island.
Roger, thanks for hunting and have a Happy New Year, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo 5, Mike Papa Delta.
Kilo 5, Mike Papa Delta, 5-5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
Okay, you're 5-5 in Texas. Thank you for the park and good luck to you.
Thank you, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot. The Echo America 2 station, go ahead. Copy, Echo Alpha 2, Echo Zulu, you are 5353, Whiskey India. Roger, Roger, thank you, 73, Happy New Year. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot.
Alpha Foxtrot 4, Ocean Delta.
Alpha Foxtrot 4, Ocean Delta. Much better this time around than earlier. You are a nice 5x9, 5-9, Wisconsin.
Well, thank you. Thank you. You're also 5-7 here in Alabama. Alpha Lima, thank you, 7-3.
Roger, thanks for hunting as always, 73. There's a station ending in Sierra.
November 0, Oscar Tango Sierra.
Copy, November 0, Oscar Tango Sierra, 5x9, 5-9, Wisconsin.
You're 5-8 into Kansas, QSL.
Roger, Roger, copy, 5-8 Kansas, running 35 watts today, so I appreciate it, 73.
QSL, thanks for activation, and 0 TS clear.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Alrighty, so we got that activation done. At this twofer, again, we are at 9792, and I think it's 425, I don't know, 4236. I don't remember the park number for the Ice Age Historic Trail. The Ice Age Historic Trail runs right across Wisconsin here, and it actually creates a lot of twofer locations with Kettle Moraine, with the Glacial Drumlin Trail. I think it runs near maybe a couple more state parks. Quite a few twofer opportunities with the Ice Age Trail into Wisconsin. Again, the Ice Age Trail and the Glacial Drumlin Trail, they are just down at the bottom here, right by them pine trees. If you are operating a trail for parks on the air, you can operate within 100 feet of that trail, which is what we're doing today. We're just in this little parking lot area again here, right by US 18 and County C in Wisconsin. So that is park number 6 and 7 maybe for me today. 7 and 8, I don't know. A few parks. I've activated a few parks today. It's about 2 p.m. and I'm probably 100 or so miles away from home, so I think I might start heading back home. Maybe activate one more park along the way. We'll see. I definitely have the opportunity to pass a few more. Till next time, all, 73.